True and true yung angin. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Nakailang video na akong ganun. Walang age. Merry Christmas, everybody! May mga bumabati kasi sa atin sa comment section. Again, this is Sasayo Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. And behind me is this brand new modern contemporary home for sale. And this one's located here in Koreatown. And for those who knows Koreatown is very close to Clark International Airport. Especially ngayong holiday, kung gusto niyo lang umuwi ng Pampanga, andyan lang yung International Airport. Now for the house, this is located at the secured subdivision and also facing north siya. Nasa around 1:20 na to pa 1:30 PM na ngayon. So, pasukin na natin yung main house niya. May kasama na siyang doorbell. And pakita ko na lang yung pedestrian gate natin, two-way siya. Pwede siyang papasok and palabas. It's very convenient. Bahala kayo kung paano nyo siya buksan. Over here naman is your fully covered two-vehicle carport. I also like yung gate nyo sa carport natin kasi true and true pa rin yung hangin niya, pero at the same time, hindi siya kitang-kita sa loob. Yung ganung feeling. So, mag-1:30 PM na sa hapon, mahangin pa rin. And manual siya. And also, yung materials nito, naka-wood. Malawak yung gate niya talaga. And over here naman, meron pa tayong access sa papuntang likod natin. So, yung house pala is semi-detached. Over here, yung nakadetach sa other side, nakadikit sa other property. Pero may firewall naman yan. Now, for this naman, this could be a storage and meron siyang sariling CR dito. So, kapag etong opening drivers, so pag may event dito na lang sila magsisika. Hindi na papasok sa loob natin. Especially this holiday talaga for sure. December na this time na sinit namin tong bahay na to, marami na kayong mga party dyan. And over here is just our access going to your auxiliary kitchen and laundry area. So that's for later. I'll go back sa front ng bahay. Very modern because of the PVC ceilings natin. And over here pala, mini pocket garden. Ito napakadali naman i-maintain ito. Mga stones lang siya, more on stones, and itong tatlong klaseng halaman. I like the rubber tree. Yung rubber tree kapag lumak siya, magtutulong pa siya, it will help na maging mas presko pa yung area na to. Ganon. Alright. Now, let's check and explore yung bagong bahay na to. I haven't seen yung second floor talaga ng bahay. Sabay-sabay na lang ulit tayo. Welcome to your dream home. Very warm yung feeling pagpasok nyo ng bahay. And also, since bago, iniwan ko yung grills ko sa taas. Ay, sa taas, sa labas, you have a solid wood. And you can also upgrade naman yung pag ganyan, kung gusto nyo ng digital lock na. So, pagpasok natin, you will be welcome with your furnished living room. And ang napansin ko sa living room, etong developer na to, kapag nag-furnish siya ng bahay, talagang pagkatapos, makikita nyo kung gaano kaluwag and kaganda yung pagka-layout niya. So, over here, you have a large mga single accent chair, and then dito naman can fit up to 5 people. Itong sofa set na to. Bago kasi nakakahiya naman upuan. And also, yung center table nyo, napakalaki. And one thing na napansin ko sa sofa set, meron pang lagayan dito ng books or anything you wanna put dito. O magazine, di ba? Ang galing yan. And also, on this corner is your entertainment wall, syempre. To put all your clutter, is we have eto customized for this entertainment wall talaga. Ayan. Ito, pull out. This one naman, parang ganun siya. Ano kasing tawag dyan? Hindi na siya awning type kasi pababa. Something like that. So this house comes furnished. Everything that I will mention in this video is included. For the living room, you have your own air-conditioned unit. I like this kind of chandelier. May pagka-classic yung design niya. Over here naman, this one this is for our guest. Tingnan nyo naman gaano ka cozy yung para sa guest natin. Ito yung powder room nila. For retouch, easy access ng to Easter, you know. And over here, hi, yes, ito yung kumbaga naging divider na from your main entrance to your dining area. So yan na yun. This one glass to, baka hindi nyo lang napapansin. So may glass siya dyan. So that's the one thing na, or another thing na nag-welcome sa atin pagpasok natin ng main door. And then over here, your gorgeous or elegant dining area. I think nakita nyo na to sa isang bahay na vinidyo ko pa. Mga nasa around 4 ata. Mga ganun pa. Nagsisimula pa lang kami ni Mr. K mag house tour. So, nag-house tour ng bahay kung nasan tong isang set ng dining table na to. So, that's it. You have a 6-seater dining table. And it makes the space more larger because clear yung top ng dining table natin. Diba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda mag-interior actually nung nag-assist ng bahay na to. So, that's your dining area with this very classic chandelier na din. And it separates talaga kahit sa ceiling going to your spacious formal kitchen naman. Look at your formal kitchen. And talagang matutuwa kayo or siguro magugulat kayo sa lot size ng bahay na to. Gusto ko sila mag-layout kasi well-placed yung each corner and nabibigyan talaga ng magandang area yung which we need every day. So over here sa formal kitchen nyo, so imagine nagpe-prepare na kayo ng holidays. We are so very busy. May bisita kayo sa dining, ay sa living room, may mga kumakain sa dining. Still, you can prepare lots of food for them kasi napakalaki ng countertop nyo dito. Sa ilalim niya puro cabinet which is convenient for you kapag nagluluto kayo. And sa likod niya, look at that, a large countertop na you can still add additional appliances. And over here, meron na siyang 5-burner stove with range hood as well na kasama. And of course, to display more of your groceries, meron naman siyang mga overhead cabinets. And we have our basic appliances ng included. And natatawa ko. Okay. Overhead cabinets. And natatawa ko dito. Sabi nung nagbabantay kanina, pang matangkad daw yung pagkalagay ng microwave nila. I guess gusto ko to. Sakto lang sa akin. And you have your oven here. Ham or cookies. Diba yung mga kids pag nag-aantay ng Christmas hour. And your 2-door fridge. Yung 2-door fridge na to, may na siya built-in. I-fill nyo lang yung water dito. So, ganun siya. Malaki. And for this area, these 2 area naman, you also have your own air condition unit. So, sa baba, dalawa na yung air condition unit. And sa likod, this is a 4-bedroom. Siyempre, meron tayo pag may mga kasamang seniors with us. This is for them. I'll go on this corner. Ito naka-queen size. Queen size na yung bed na nakalagay. And may entertainment wall with television na rin na kasama. Pare-pareha sila ng dresser. Ang gaganda ng ganito kasi magagamit nyo pa siya. As in, lagayan nyo ng damit. Pag mga medyas or minsan shoes, yung ganon. And spacious siya. And kahit yung itong natirang space na to, malaki pa siya. Though may cabinet nang naka-install. Ang cute nga eh. Ayan. Ang daming storage. And cute kasi meron na siyang vanity area. And also, since para sa mga guests natin to or elderly with us na titira, may ensuite na siya. You have your sink, toilet, and sa shower area naman, frosted na yung partition, glass partition nila na ginamit. And tapusin na natin yung ground floor, no? Parang hindi ko ata ito nabanggit. Napakasakto sa paparating na holiday. O, pwedeng buffet table, or pwede din mag-setup kayo ng belen dyan. Just like the house na pinisit natin kanina. Ang ganda ng pagka-decorate niya ng bahay. And another door naman leads to our outdoor area or service area. So you have a spacious service area pa dito. Pwede nga dito mag-grill eh. So galing ako kanina doon, access from your carport going here. That's one good thing kasi pag nag-grocery ng marami ngayon, dito lang sila dadaan na agad. Not sa living room niyo. You have a spacious area for that. And over here naman, yung pinaka dirty kitchen na natin. This is it. This is the area for your dirty kitchen, auxiliary kitchen. And this one is a brand new washing machine. This is included. Kaya na magbubukas. Okay? And for your covered na yung etong outdoor kitchen natin or auxiliary kitchen ng polycarbonate. So, ganyan siya. No need ilaw. Sa gabi lang, syempre, you need ilaw. May mga naka-install na rin siya. Pero ang ganda. Gantong umaga. Hindi nyo kailangan ng ilaw. Ayan. Ang ganda pag furnish na talaga yung bahay. Lilipat na lang kayo. Diba? Parang, sige, Christmas na. Ito na yung gift nyo sa buong family nyo. Ay, that's a nice gift. Ano na, akit na tayo? Tara! Let's explore more. And again, sabay-sabay tayo nga kasi hindi ko pa na-check yung second floor. Then going up, papapansin nyo yung pagka... And actually, di ko na-mention, no? Mga wooden yung... More of wooden finishes and colors yung ginamit for the whole house. Interior na ang buong bahay. Over here naman, papaakyat kayo. Masisilip nyo pa rin kahit paano yung kung sino yung nasa labas, kung sino yung namamasko po sa labas. Ganun. May ventilation pa rin, somehow. Then, rest area, meron kayong dito. Natural light coming from this fixed window. And hindi siya yung buo. Yung iba hanggang dito eh. Pero look at the sheer curtain na nilagay. Floor to ceiling. Halos floor to ceiling. Yan. And once we reach our second floor landing, we have 5 doors. I'll start over here. For this corner, pwede pang reading area or a single bench with table. Kung ayaw nyong makigulo na sa baba, pwede pa kayo mag-coffee table dito or have your snack sa corner na yan. Okay, next. Next room. Ay, ang laki. Iba talaga yung dating niya pag na-furnish na. Ang spacious. Ang spacious. Ang spacious. This is your second bedroom. Ito, naka-queen size. Pwede nyo pang i-upgrade sa king size yan. These are included as well. Ang ganda talaga ng pagka-interior nila. Every corner is usable. That part, meron ka ng bedside table with lamp. Over here naman, saan located yung vanity table na medyo malaki na. And I love it na ang lalaki ng cabinet. Yan. Diba? Mga drawers para sa mga naka-fold na damit. And also a spacious area pa for lazy boy, pwede maglagay. That corner and over here, pwede nyo pa nga i-upgrade tong TV na kasama up to 75 or siguro kahit 100. Pero medyo malaki na siya for this room. Siyempre yung ice natin. Kompleto na. You can just add your personal belongings or clothes Pwede na talaga matulog dito. Next door, ito naman. Ito yung common toilet and bath na. Sink over here, spacious common toilet and bath. Toilet, and then a shower area for spacious shower area. So, ito yung na-mention sa akin nung nagbabantay kanina, frosted yung ginamit nilang partition glass. So, you have common toilet over here. I guess, ito din yung room na gagamit niya. See, ang lalaki! Nakakatuwa yung ang lalaki ng space pa. So, talagang kahit medyo malaki yung TV, okay pa. Ayan. This is your third bedroom and located siya dito sa second floor. This is queen size again and same cabinet na nakalagay dun sa kabila. Ang lalaki ng rooms. Ang ganda. Siyempre, sino ba naman yung ayaw ng malalaking room? Even yung mga bedside table, ang cute. And another thing na magaganda sa malalaking room kasi pwede nyong ilipat yung bed, something like that, or extend yung size ng bed. Diba? Meron pang mga space for sleepovers, yung ganon. At dito naman sa hallway natin, bago natin puntahan yung pinaka-primary bedroom, we have a common balcony dito. Ay, wow! Ang lakas ng hangin. Puntahan. Ay, dito na ako magre-recap. Sige. Ang lakas ng hangin. Ang ganda. For your hallway, ang dami pa rin pwedeng i-add. Console table. Thank you, Mr. Craig, for showing them yung pinaka-whole second floor natin. Console table, and then another reading corner. Look, reading corner siya, may mga saksakan. Just put a lamp here. Palipat ko, may saksakan din. Diba? Sorry, binitbit ko na siya. Ngayon, tignan naman natin yung pinaka-primary bedroom niya. Oh, eto, queen size na. Welcome. Tarat, welcome. Welcome to your primary bedroom. Ang ganda. Wow. Ganda ng lamp nyo. Ano kasi yung tawag sa yung pang-guitar? Pick. Ganun yung shape ng bedside table niya. Parang pick shape. Ganda, ang cute. King size bed, and then I love your headboard. And then wooden kasi yung ginamit. Para siyang kay ano. Basta yung sikat sa TikTok na gumagawa ng mga furniture. Siya yun. I love the design. Very warm lang. And easy to add kung ano pa yung gusto niyo i-add na furnitures. And dito mayroon pa kayong parang breakfast table para naman sa inyong mag-asawa. Over here, may 65-inch TV na kayo. And parehas ng parang dresser sa each room. This is our fourth room. And lahat sila spacious, right? Over here naman is your cabinet. Ayan. Hanggang sa taas yan. And your vanity over here. And I'll show you your toilet and bath for your primary bedroom. I mean, bigla siyang naging high ceiling. Ang cute. Kahit yung sink nyo, ang cute. LED for your mirror. Toilet over here. And a spacious shower area. And look, hindi siya yung nakaangat. Pantay lang. Safe din siya for the seniors, yung mga gantong shower area. Balik tayo sa mahangin yung balcony. Sa press kong balcony niyo. Ano ba? Ay, pati pala dito may din. Ventilation. Merong nagkwento sa akin yung mga window daw na awning type. Ang ganda pag umuulan kasi usually, di ba, pag uulan, kailangan natin pasingawin yung bahay. So, sa ganun daw na way, yung iba kasing sliding doors, bubuksan nyo yung window, pero nababasa yung loob natin. Yung awning daw mas maganda. Thank you for that information. So for the balcony, L shape and then lahat maa-access naman. Okay? Ay, ang ganda nito. Wala, ito yung maganda. Ayan. Okay, for your quick recap, the house is very brand new and this is located here in Angeles City, Pampanga, and the subdivision is very close to Clark International Airport. The house sits at 162 square meters for your lot area and you have 200 square meters for your floor area. This is 4 bedroom, 3 toilet and bath. You also have your storage and a common CR beside your 2-vehicle carport, and the house comes furnished. Future homeowners, let's move beyond the open budget myth and focus on what truly matters, finding the home that's right for you. Again, this is Alza Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. See you on our next video.